Good day, everybody. Ricardo, Mendiola, credit and real estate expert. Today, I want to talk about voluntary and involuntary repo. So the difference is nothing. When you give a car back to the creditor, a voluntary repo, and they pick it up from you, okay, it's going to affect you the exact same way on your credit report. All they do is when they get the vehicle back, they sell it at an auction for pennies on the dollar. And then they subtract whatever they received from your balance, and whatever the remaining balance is called a deficiency balance, and you're responsible for it. And it will go on your credit report. That deficiency balance will go on your credit report as a repo, regardless if you gave it back to them, the vehicle, or whether they picked it up from you. So it affects you exactly the same on your credit report. I hope this helps you out because I've been getting this question a lot. If you do have any further questions, you could comment or you could call me directly. Thank you very much.